Hi there, this is Java Jim with First Line Equipment. And in front of us today we have two palletized rocket machines, the Bicocca and the R91. And this is just a simple introduction. When these machines arrive, they can arrive on pallets like this, but they can also arrive strapped to larger pallets, which we normally do here at First Line. When you receive the machines, make sure there is no significant damage to the wood. If there is, on the signature line, put damage subject to inspection. Even if you're not buying from First Line, a good idea to do that, because when these come on a pallet freight truck, as soon as you sign received in good order, they're off the hook. So always double check, and if there is any damage, again, put down damage subject to inspection, and typically you need to report that within 24 hours. The sooner, the better. Okay, so when you want to unbox these, you will need typically a Phillips head screwdriver or a power tool to get this off. And basically, there are a bunch of screws. Okay, there's about 8 of them total. There's 4 on the top that we're going to get to. Make sure you don't lose the screws. These are good to save in case you need to ship these or if you're moving. And basically the top cover typically comes off if you don't use a flathead screwdriver and wedge in between. Do not stick it in that much because you don't want to damage anything inside. And this cover basically comes off, and inside you will have the accessory box, the machine, but if you want, you can remove the body to help you get the machine off. So in this case, we'll take off the cardboard, and this one looks like the R91. We'll take out the accessory box, and this can all change in the future. This is right now at the time of this video. And there's a piece of cardboard here, and we shall do the other 4 screws on the bottom. These I will allow to drop. Just make sure you pick them up. And then we'll take out the hose and lift up the wooden crate box. And then from here, you could take this machine off the pallet nice and easy. I strongly suggest having 2 people lift this machine because it is not light at all. Let me put the cover back on there. You can see there could be a rip right here. Okay, that's when they insert the cardboard. Sometimes that will rip. And I'll show you a quick magic trick. Watch this. All the screws are out. Just a little puff, a little First Line magic here. And watch this one. Okay. Now there's a difference. The Bicocca machine is actually in a bigger box. And for this one, okay, we have the accessory box. We will have some packaging here and packaging here. But to remove this inner box, you can slide these open on 2 sides. And then that box comes right off. Let's take the accessory box. This one has cushioning underneath. And we'll take this out of the drip tray. And there is the Bicocca in black. Great looking machine. Put this cover back on. And that's basically the unboxing of these 2 rocket machines. They can come either way, this way or this way. And packaging sometimes does change, so this may change in the future with rocket. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up on all social media accounts. Java Jim with First Line Equipment. Coffee first, everything else second. Take care.